ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Umindri ramba ka jelau konra kongkel sangma lapin kiyo ya kalama India ke behetam North East ya ke lapin yeng hapla jung office ke PWD ke badan Barik. Hakane ke jog sngi umindri ramba laplai patba ya ke master plan baga Sorkar ke lapin kre na ke benta ban Pynkylla dur ya ke Barik ha ke baga Sorkar kan Pynlut kum arpasan Klur tingka. Kini ke dekat dur ke dal jong ke Barik ke thamai ke kum jing pin kre ha ke master plan.
For the redevelopment of Barik. We will be joined by our other cabinet ministers and our other dignitaries. So let us all join together in this moment of anticipation and celebration with a big applause while the master plan and the plaque is unveiled. The master plan shows the plans laid out for Barik to turn it into an iconic landmark.
Before we get to this pitting part, I think what is most important to remember is that this particular park that we are planning to have, this particular junction that we're redeveloping out here, is going to be more than just a park or a tourist spot. As I mentioned in my speech, our larger vision is to really give a message of unity among the people of our state, and also a message of unity in the nation as a whole. And that's the reason why we started this project with the national flag, which is obviously the symbol of our national pride and of our nation. Beyond that, as I said, we'll be having different aspects of culture, we'll be having different aspects of tourism also involved in this. And I'm very, very hopeful that this will become one of the most iconic points from the tourism perspective. Having said that, yes, concerns of maintenance are very crucial, and this is where not just the department, not just the government, but the society and the people will also play a very, very important role. And hence, we all need to feel the sense of ownership. We all need to feel that this is our pride, and therefore we are hopeful, and we will continue to remind the public, the tourist, that maintaining cleanliness and ensuring that we are able to really keep this entire place clean is something that will be a priority for us, and not just here, but we're hopeful that this kind of a culture will be there in most of the parts of the city. It's not easy. It requires a lot of commitment from the society, but that's the reason why I am taking this opportunity also to appeal through the press and the media to our society and to the public at large that this is not just a government property or a government location or a tourist location. This belongs to the people of Shillong. This belongs to the people of Meghalaya, and it is our responsibility to ensure that we keep it clean and we maintain it, and I'm hopeful that will be the case. And from the government side, we will do whatever it takes to ensure that we are able to support that particular objective of maintaining and keeping this place clean. Right now, it's of course part of our own funding that we are working on. But of course, the different aspects of funding from the center will also be explored. We have many options, whether it is getting the funds from donor ministry or getting the funds through the special assistance of October. And I'm hopeful that by October end or November early, we will actually see the project initiate and start, and hopefully within anything between 4 to 6 months, I hope that from the date of the contract being awarded, we expect that we'll be able to complete the project also. So yes, multiple sources of funding will be tapped to ensure this project, which is worth about 25.4 crores, will be implemented. This will be, as I said, most probably funding will be coming from our own sources, so I don't expect that. The larger challenge was, of course, to shift the staff of PWD. As I said, I thank them for being understanding and for seeing the larger vision and the larger picture for the state as a whole. So I do thank them, and that is the more challenging part. Once we're able to take care of that, I'm sure that we will see this project move very fast. Generic statement, I've seen in many parts there are sometimes certain issues that are taken up that of course are important, there's no doubt about it, but my message in a larger message to the public as a whole is that we need to remember that unity is ultimately our strength. And yes, we may have different cultures, we of course have different issues and concerns that are there, but trying to focus on those issues and creating a negative and a divisive environment is not something that is healthy for our society. And therefore, I'm hoping that in all these times of the different issues that are coming up, I hope that this particular project will act as a very strong symbol of unity of our state and unity among the people of our state.